Hello and welcome to another Let's Compile video. These are videos about compiling source code and testing the binaries that are produced. In this Let's Compile we're looking at Ministry, which is a strategy game written in C++. So here's the source code. Ministry by Wesley May, 2002, so 13 years ago, and this is a version 4.1. These are libraries. This is the main function. Some variables are declared. These blue things are comments. So comments in C++ are followed after two forward slashes, and there's all sorts of declarations there. It looks like a fairly complicated game. It's about 2,000 lines long. And here's the menu, and he's using console out or cout. With cout it's an IO stream, so these less than symbols indicate the flow of the IO stream, so that this stuff goes towards the console. I suppose that's the way you're meant to think about it. And we got lots of fairly complicated code here. All sorts of calculations and that sort of thing, and he's put return 0 at the end of the program here, which basically just ends the program and then closes it. So go ahead and compile it. And down here we can see he's used some old school libraries here. He's got antiquated headers, but that doesn't matter with this particular version of MinGW. If you want this compiler, it's mingw.org. If you want this source code, there's my website. CodeBlocks is another IDE I recommend, but the one I'm using here is Bloodshed Dev C++. And here's the binary. It's half a meg, pretty typical. So welcome to Ministry. Please choose an option below. We'll have a look at the credits first. So he's had a bit of help with that there. We'll start a new game. I'm gonna go for horticulture, because this is like what is this? It's a bit like one of those games like Warcraft or SimCity or something. I'm going to construct some buildings. I'll have a look at my empire status first. General information. Looks like a fairly detailed, deep game here actually. I've got 350 food and 25 lumber. What else? Day 1. Okay, we're going to construct some buildings. Houses. 2. You have successfully constructed 2 houses. Have another look at the status. Okay, so my lumber's come down, I think. I think it was more than that before, because that's probably been used in the construction of the houses. Train workers. We'll get farmers. 2 of them. You have successfully trained 2 farmers. Okay, utilize units and buildings. Research. I have 0 research points left. Oh, it doesn't look like I'll be able to do this. It'll probably knock me back if I try to. Yeah. See, I don't have any points. See, if I try to put in 1, it's gonna tell me that I don't have research points left. End day. One of my farms was destroyed by an angry mob. Your scout explored 0 land. You got 740 Zen in tax revenue. 8 more civilians were born. You got 10 lumber. You got 54 more food. You got 15 more research points. Oh, that's how you get them, I guess. We'll try to use these research points because, like, I think that might come in handy. Oh, the research points are specific. So it says I've got 15 research points, but I can't put them into housing. Oh well. Looks like a fairly detailed game. I suppose as long as you don't mind the text interface, it could be sort of interesting. But that's the sort of game this is. So, alright, well, thanks for watching.